Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Magic Castle installation tutorial. Let's start by opening the box. Here are the instructions. Wooden board material. The movement. Wax block for waxing. Small hammer. Screwdriver. This bag of parts is for this movement. Key for the movement. Mushroom head, screws. This is also a pack of screws. Glue. If you have a broken part, you can try to fix it with glue. This is the part T1. Sanding cardboard sandpaper. We first open the manual. Read his notes. And then inside the T1 mention this part is this part. This is a small tool, used to assist in removing parts. Some small parts. It takes work to remove by hand. You can use this. It's got a tip on the head. Use the tip to remove the part. There are some icons here. This icon means the colored part needs waxing. This icon means it needs to be sanded. This is a perspective change. This is the flip. And then this assembly needs special attention. This is to ensure that the parts rotate smoothly. The mechanical part of the gears we assembled. We have to test it. Then, there are the two sets of mounting. Some parts require two sets. Some parts need to be installed in groups of 3. This is also to test the smoothness of the gears. This represents the patterned surface. What about the non-patterned side? The opposite side of the patterned side is the unpatterned side. And then this is step 1. Step 2. And then there are the parts. P1. P1 is this. This is movement P1. This is P2. These 6 screws. This screw is P3. And this mushroom head is P4. And P5. This is a pack of small screws. After removing the board, I'll check if the boards are complete. The numbering is starting from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. This is O. P is that. Those metal components. There's no P. O, P, Q, there's no P. Just start with Q, Q, R, right? Then, check if there are any missing parts. Use a sanding board to sand the surface of the part. Push the sanding board back and forth. And rotate the part at the same time, evenly. Use sandpaper to sand the inside of the part. The sandpaper should be pressed against the inner wall, and push it back and forth, while the part rotates, even sanding. When sanding the inside of smaller parts, roll or slightly fold the sandpaper against the inner wall. Simultaneous part rotation, even sanding. Remove the wax block and the part. When waxing the gears of the part, the wax block should be rubbed lightly on the surface of the part. Simultaneous rotation of the part, even waxing. Waxing the surface of the part. Slide the wax block over the surface of the part. At the same time, with a bit of pressure, even waxing the surface to be waxed. Waxing the inside of the part. Rotate the wax block back and forth inside the holes of the part. With a little pressure. Even waxing. To remove small parts, you need the T1 tool. Aim the tip of the T1 at the part to be removed. Press firmly to remove the part. Same as above for long small parts. Use your other hand to hold the part's perimeter when removing parts gently. Prevent damage by pressing too hard. Remove the cutter. Gently cut off the connection point between the fragile part and the plate. Be careful not to cut your fingers with the cutter. After cutting, the part can be easily removed.